Welcome! In today's lesson, we'll learn how to count in Italian from 1 to 20 and discover a simple trick to form larger numbers. Numbers are an essential part of any language. They help us talk about age, prices, quantities, and so much more. After the numbers, we'll be teaching you the names of colours in Italian. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating these lessons just for you. Thank you. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Once you've learned the numbers from 1 to 20, it's easy to create larger numbers. You just add the units 1, 2, 3, etc. to the base number 20, 30, 40, etc.
21, 32, 58.
Important note, in Italian, the numbers 1 and 8 cause the final vowel of the base number to drop to avoid two vowels together. Now let's practice. Repeat the numbers from 1 to 20. Try forming the numbers from 21 to 30 using the rule explained. Answer these questions in Italian. How old are you?
Quanti anni hai?
How many books do you have on your shelf?
Quanti libri hai sullo scaffale?
Now let's dive into the colours. We'll learn the cardinal colours in Italian: red, blue, yellow, green, black and white. And in the next lesson, we will discover how to mix them to create new colours. By the end of lesson part 2, we'll be able to describe all your favourite colours in Italian. Let's get started.
Rosso.
Red.
Rosso è il colore del fuoco e delle rose.
Red is the colour of fire and roses.
Blu.
Blue.
Blu è il colore del cielo e del mare.
Blue is the colour of the sky and the sea.
Giallo.
Yellow.
Giallo è il colore del sole e dei limoni.
Yellow is the colour of the sun and lemons.
Verde.
Green.
Verde è il colore dell'erba e degli alberi.
Green is the colour of grass and trees.
Nero.
Black.
Nero è il colore della notte e dell'inchiostro.
Black is the colour of the night and ink.
Bianco.
White.
Bianco è il colore della neve e delle nuvole.
White is the colour of snow and clouds. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might enjoy learning Italian too. See you in the next lesson. Buona giornata e alla prossima.